the alpha blueprint. Imagine standing in front of a crowd, your heart's pounding, hands shaking, thoughts racing. You know what you want to say, but your voice disappears. Now picture this. The same you, but calm, collected, and commanding the room like a leader. What changed? Confidence, not arrogance, not fake bravado. Real grounded confidence. And by the end of this video, you'll have the exact blueprint to build it, no matter where you're starting from. Confidence isn't born, it's built. Confidence is not a talent, it's a muscle. Most people assume you're either born with it or not, but science and psychology prove otherwise. It's a skill crafted through experience, discomfort, and repeated action. Think back to the first time you rode a bike. You wobbled, you fell, you doubted, but with repetition, balance came. That's how confidence works too. It grows in the fire of failure, not in its absence. The root of insecurity. Most people struggle with confidence because they don't understand where insecurity comes from. It's not just fear, it's comparison, social media, childhood experiences, harsh criticism. These shape the internal voice that whispers, "You're not enough." Good news. That voice isn't your truth. It's just noise. The moment you identify that voice as external programming, you take the first step to rewriting your inner script. The mirror principle. Confidence begins with self-respect, and self-respect starts in the mirror. If you can't look yourself in the eyes and say, "I'm proud of you," it's time for change. Every small promise you keep to yourself, every boundary you enforce, every challenge you take head on, that's a brick in the foundation of your self-image. You don't earn confidence from others. You earn it from yourself. The exposure effect. You fear what you avoid. The more you run from discomfort, the bigger it becomes. Confidence is built by doing what scares you again and again. Speak up in meetings. Approach strangers. Take the leap. Every time you expose yourself to discomfort and survive it, you gain proof. I can handle this. That proof stacks into conviction. Body language and physiology. Your body tells your brain how to feel. Stand tall, shoulders back, chest open. This posture signals dominance, alertness, and control. Studies show that power poses increase testosterone and decrease cortisol. Before any big moment, fix your body and your mind will follow. You don't need to feel confident to act confident. You need to act confident to feel. Internal dialogue. Change the script. Your confidence depends on the conversation you have with yourself. Most people speak to themselves in a way they'd never speak to a friend. Start catching that internal bully and replacing it with a coach. Instead of, "I'm going to mess up," say, "I've got this. I'm prepared. I've done hard things before." Your inner voice becomes your reality. Keep promises to yourself. Every time you tell yourself you'll do something and you don't, you chip away at your confidence. Confidence comes from self-trust. Want to feel unstoppable? Start by becoming someone you can rely on. Wake up when you say you will. Hit the gym when you plan to. Finish what you start. Self-discipline equals self-respect, and self-respect builds unshakable confidence. Rejection training. Fear of rejection keeps most people stuck. Rejection is a tool. When you deliberately seek rejection by asking for things, taking chances, you normalize it. The sting goes away. You realize it's not fatal. Confidence grows when you stop seeing rejection as proof of failure and start seeing it as progress. Own your wins. Confidence doesn't come from achievements alone. It comes from recognizing them. Too often we brush off wins like they don't count. Stop that. Celebrate your progress. Keep a confidence journal where you write one thing you did today that made you proud. You're building a mental vault of evidence that you are capable. Build through identity, not results. Don't just chase confidence through outcomes. Build it through identity. Say to yourself, "I am a confident person," then act like it. The more your actions align with this identity, the stronger it becomes. Results may vary day to day, but identity, that's permanent. You don't rise to your goals. You fall to your systems. Build the system of confidence. Environment shapes belief. Confidence is contagious. Surround yourself with people who uplift you, challenge you, and believe in your potential. Cut off the ones who drain your energy or reinforce your self-doubt. Environment isn't everything, but it's damn close. Get around winners, and you'll start behaving like one. The power of momentum. Start small. One win leads to the next. One push-up leads to 20. One conversation leads to deeper connections. Don't wait until you feel confident. Build momentum and let confidence catch up. The more you move forward, the less space there